Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting in Onenote, so open the desktop app or web client and sign in. Once done, navigate to the notebook and section you'll edit. Make a quick backup if pages are critical. Now, enable the view options so navigation panes and the page list are visible. This matters because you need clear targets for layout changes. Press View, then Show or Hide navigation panes. This first step sets up control, and it prevents accidental rearranging of content later. Next, change panes and page structure. You can drag the navigation pane edge to widen or narrow the list. This reorganizes focus and gives space to your page. Use page templates to apply consistent headers or insert a table to align content. Print layout and margin settings let you simulate paper sizes. Once you've structured a page, experiment with dock to desktop versus full page view to see how panels overlap. These controls let you balance note density and readability. Finally, customize and preserve your layout. Save the page as a template or pin panes so you can reproduce the setup. Make sure to sync the notebook so changes appear on other devices. Check the account sync status if layouts look different elsewhere. If something goes wrong, reset view settings or sign out and back in to force a UI refresh. If panes still misbehave, restore from your backup copy. This recovers content while you rebuild the preferred layout.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.